Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, sharing with you paintings that were created after March 1st, 2022. This is a 16 by 16. The colors are primary elements, Prizm pours, and they're from Colourarte. That's a gallery wrapped canvas. That's a gorgeous painting, actually. I've got 41 to show you, I think. I've got 2 books on my Amazon link. You'll find on the link tree underneath, show more underneath the video. They're the first and the second 100 videos I created for YouTube with all the tools and all the processes and all the paint colors and all the mixtures. Anyway, so I can't find the other one, but it's in the front hall and I wanted to get on with this, so here we are. These are 14 by 14 inches. Wonderful shimmery things. Love that cartoon. I love this blue. This is a I think it's frozen. This is very coppery. I'm going to try and be fairly quick. I love this. I love these colors. I know that's the blue velvet. I have mixed a bunch of primary elements blues since these were created, but I still love the originals. This has got a beautiful gold background. Hopefully you can see some of that shimmer because they are very shimmery. I use a Josonia varnish mixed in with my Prizm pour paints that are mixed with vivid polypore and vivid enamel. And it creates this glass-like surface on the paints. They catch the light beautifully, even without resin. If I resined these would be astonishing, but I'm not set up to do that, so unfortunately that's not going to happen. This is a simpler piece. Let me get these out of the way. This has got some shimmer to it too. This is just great, got great texture to it. Excuse me while I take a moment. I love this piece. I totally love it, and it was so much fun to do. It's just dribbles. This one I want to be able to show you the iridescence in the Chantilly lace. By the way, there is going to be a 20% off coupon code underneath the video should you want to purchase some Colourarte products, Prizm pours, or mixing paraphernalia like primary elements with vivid polypore or vivid enamel. Yeah, I'm not as articulate today as I thought I was earlier. All right, that's gosh, I love that. This was a lot of fun. That looks like I need to hit it with a little tiny piece of black. I'll leave that out. This was an experiment. A lot of them were experiments. These 2 pieces are the part 1 and part 2 videos made for the spring team event for Colourarte. You can find that on Dips on my playlist. I have over 26 playlists, 2,600 videos, 100 videos per playlist, maybe more until they get organized when they're fresh. Anyway, I'm going to try and zoom out so you can see both of those. Then I might have to zoom in again. I think they make an awesome pair. Oh, I'm way zoomed out. No kidding. And it looks a lot like I should turn that light off that's over there. Let's give that a try. Hopefully my camera will be more adjustable at this point. As far as exposure goes. So I've got a few more of the 14 by 14s. Time to vacuum the house again. Got a few dog hairs. This is tremendous. I love this piece. This is my grassy piece. This is just a party. I hope you can see that as well as I can see that. It's getting late in the day. We had some things prevent the video from happening earlier, so I'm hoping that this will be able to be seen as well as I wish. Let's put those away so they don't overshadow. Now the next size that I'm going to show you are the 12 by 12s. And I'm hoping everything is in focus. And maybe I should check. Make sure they're at least in square, huh? I think that's my camera out of square. Well, that's worth checking out. That's pretty cool. If you have an interest in making a purchase, my email address to contact me by is easpb. Wow, that just completely went out of focus. That's unfortunate. Well, I can solve that by moving that over there, I guess, and hope for the best. easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Hopefully they're not so far out of the range of the viewfinder focus factor that they're not going to be able to be seen. This is cool. This is really sparkly. Looks like mother of pearl, sort of. I love, love, love. Hopefully you can see some of that shimmer. The sky is tremendously beautiful. And there's a little octopus in the waves. Really cute. This was an experiment with cell activator and palette knives when I first started playing with palette knives and cell activator on bloom paint. And leftovers, as I recall, too. So the next series of paintings are the 10 by 10s. Yes. Hopefully we get to do all of these. Let's zoom down in a little bit more. I'm not going to try and focus that. I'm going to, well, maybe I am going to try and focus that. Yeah, okay. And check, yeah. Alright, so make a note of the time if you're interested in making a purchase, which would help the studio amazingly. And if you're somebody who watches my tutorials consistently and you'd like to make a donation, that will get you an opportunity to have a free 15-minute consultation phone call with me in the 30 days after you make your donation. And you help support, excuse my air compressor, you help support the production of videos. This is gorgeous. I love that. Prices are available by request and calculated by the size of the artwork. This is fun. This is really fun. I have one gallery wrapped, which is absolutely fabulous in person. Not sure which way. Yep, that's the right way up. Let me move these out of the way. And pull in a couple of gallery wrapped. Just got to shimmer that one more time. A couple little gallery wrapped 8x8s. Check how much time there is left. Maybe we can slide a few more stacks in. I love that. The new primary elements, Carnival and the Passion and the Ginger Flower, all beautiful magenta pinks. Just gorgeous. Let me check my timer and see how much time is left. I've got plenty of time to do some more paintings. So I've got a few 8x10s. I'm just going to bring those right in. This was just playtime. I don't believe that there's a video that goes with this, but this is gorgeous in person. If you'd ever like to see any of the paintings that I'm sharing with you shown as fabric or baby onesies or yoga mats or coffee mugs or shower curtains or duvet covers, let me know, because Fine Art America and Pixels.com and Society 6 and Legallerist Clothing are all on my link tree, but they're all links where I have merchandise with my artwork printed on it. And if it's not something you find there initially, you can always ask me. I can always place it there. Hopefully my head is not blocking anything. This was fun, adding a few extra dots, just composing as I was experimenting with cell activators to see if I was happy. This turned out to be really cool. Sort of peacock by accident. And I've got a couple more of those. This has got great shimmer. And this was playing with pillow paint and mixing it with Colourarte primary elements and Prizm pours. This was a do-over, or a stage 2 I should call it. And that's not anything except for black paint, probably mead and black paint. It's on my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. So, I'm not sure which way up these are supposed to be. Looks like most of them are supposed to go this way, which means I should check and see if we're still a square and square. Yeah. There we go, that's better. And I will try and hope for the best. This reminds me of the inside of mother of pearl or mussel shell or something, only neon. There's some of my dip flowers with a beautiful blue background. These are my balloons. Love that. That was fun to do. I just use a silicone mold and add some paint to the bottom and peel it out. I have enough time left, I believe, for the 12 by 16s. These were 11 by 14s, I believe. I can tell you right now, actually. Yep, they're 11 by 14s. Good size, though. Really good size. So this was meant to be a bloom, and I called this, I believe I called that waterfall. It's very shimmery with coppers and the beautiful blues. I think this was a stage 2. I think this took a painting that I had done a long while back and rehabilitated it. But now it's beautiful and shimmery and got lots of contrast. And that goes that way. I love these. I called them dribble pours, but that doesn't really tell you how much affection I have for them. The colors in them are tremendous. It's just a party for the eyes. So I'm wondering what else I've got, and I've got a couple. Let's see how much time I've got. I've got enough time to do the 10 by 20s coming right up. So I love that. And I want to trust that my camera's in focus and in square, but I don't. Right down here. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. So there are no artificial lights in my room right now, so what you're seeing is you're seeing by daylight. Now are the 10 by 20s. I love that. These are meant to be keyhole swipes. Just fun and funky. Just fun. I think my rain cloud with rain is going to have to be adjusted. To get the whole thing in the picture. Yes, I am correct. I want to zoom in for you. That's not really showing up as well as it should. The colors in this are much more amazing in person. But this one could be mountains with a white sky or snow with a night sky. And I like that about it. This is part of the playlist that has dip in the title. Let's zoom in. That's the color shifting French silk, which is an absolutely delectable color. Fabulous, in fact. This is probably one of my favorite methods of all. I love doing these. The colors are, oh, I just love color art. I love Prizm pours. I love primary elements. I love color art, period. So what else have I got? I think I'm going to have to wait on everything else and do another video of the 12 by 24s and the 16 by 20s. I've got one last painting for you, and we'll call it good for now. And I'll start again in a minute, and I'll probably publish that other video a few days after I publish this one. Oh, I've got one other thing I wanted to show you guys. First I'll shimmer that at you. I did go back and add some more color to the sky. So this is cool, just as an additional note. This is Yupo paper. It's just flimsy, and I was testing out the reactions of different cell activators in different colors. And so if you're somebody who doesn't have room to store canvases, that's my recommendation. And this is for sale if somebody makes me an offer. But if they don't, that's okay. I like it. I'll keep it. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Catch my videos weekdays. Actually, catch my videos 7 days a week at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time. And make sure to remember I have a 20% off coupon code, and I'm an affiliate of Colourarte. So if you shop there, you help me out, and I really appreciate it. And my Amazon link, if you shop there, you help me out at no added cost to you. You can find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Know I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. And there's another exhibition video coming right up shortly in a few days. The 16 by 20s and the 12 by 24s. And I think I told you I love you a bunch of times already, but I'll tell you again. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you come again. Check out my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6. Spring Clothing underneath the video is another place where I can post an all-over print of any of my artwork on those pieces of clothing that they sell. If I'm lucky and there's no glitches that day, that is. It takes a little while, but it's worthwhile for me and you. Thank you for the donations through PayPal that keep me painting. I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much for helping me keep making on tutorials and keeping on painting. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.